Hey, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and today you're going to learn how to make a magic wand. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, so you're going to take your 260, whichever color, you're going to need two, whichever color you decide to use for your base. So in this case, I'm going to use the red, and you're going to inflate it almost to the very top. Just leave about 2-3 fingers of the tail, okay? So then you're going to burp it, and I want you to do 3 loop twists, okay? So you're going to fold it over. You're going to grab the nozzle, and as you grab it, you're going to twist. And when you twist, I want you, when you finish, to pull that nozzle through the loop, and it should stay, okay? So that's one. You need 2 more. Fold, pinch, and twist. Right in the middle where the other one is. We're going to do that one more time. We're going to fold it. We're going to pinch. So you're pinching, and then you're going to twist it right in the middle with the other 2 in that section, okay? And you're going to twist. So what you should have is something like that, okay? And you should have just a little bit of tail left, okay? So then you're going to fold this in half, okay? Fold it in half, what is left, the remainder of the balloon, okay? You do not need to twist here. You can if you like, but it's not necessary. And then you're gonna just twist. And then this little piece of tail that you have, you're gonna pull that to the center where all of your loop twists have been twisted, and you're gonna twist this into that section, okay? And then I like to come back, and when I'm twisting this, I'm twisting it in the figure 8, just to make sure that that cannot come undone. And so what you should have when you're done is something like that, okay? So this is the base of the magic wand. And now you need your topper. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. So I have a marbled, or sometimes they call it an agate balloon, and that's going to be the top. For an added touch, you can add a light into this. And you can also find these already with a light attached, okay? So I'm going to pull this into the top of this wand. Now, you don't have to tie it before you twist it to save yourself a step, okay? So I'm just pulling this in to the top, and I'm going to, once again, create a figure 8 with this balloon, and then I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times, meaning I'm doing a figure 8 a couple of times, just to make sure it's secure, okay? Now, no, if you don't tie it and the child untwist this, then of course it's gonna be deflated, okay? So that is attached, okay? Now, you can take it a step further, and you can add some beads around here just for a little extra color and whimsy. So I'm using a 260. You can also do this in a 160 if you like. You're not going to be using a lot of this balloon, so you don't need to really inflate it that much. So go ahead and tie it off. And then you're going to twist this into the top of that balloon. Again, I'm going to do a figure 8. to make sure it's wrapped in there really secure. Okay, now all this is going to be is a sequence of 1-inch bubbles. Pinch and twist. Always hold the first and the last bubble. So now I'm going to pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist, and so on and so forth, until I can wrap this around the balloon. See, I'm almost finished, okay? So you want to keep on. And so it completely goes around. And you see a bubble came out. So I can go ahead and fix that once I tie this off. So I'm going to go ahead and discard the rest of this balloon. Okay? And I'm going to tie it. Okay. So it's tied. And then I'm going to pull that up underneath. Okay? And I'm going to bring it back under again. And this time, I'm going to twist it into one of those loop twists. Okay? And I'm making a figure 8. Okay, so now that's tied on. And then I'm going to go back around and clean up. So here, again, I lost the bubble. So I'll just pinch and retwist it. Make sure I'm going in the right direction so I'm not untwisting anything. Okay, perfect. And there you have it. You have your magic wand. All right, thank you for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.